Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holder? So it's a really great news for all Pancakeswap holder, my friend, and absolutely very shock news now, my friend, for all of you. So let's get start this brand video. Kindly, I will share my opinion. I will do a technical analysis and absolutely prediction. So let's see, my brothers, to what's going on in the same time. But kindly, holders, you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification, and don't forget to like the video. Last 7 days, my friend, Pancakeswap lost minus 4.06%, and last 24 hours you can say minus 1.76%. The price is in the loss, you can say, my brother, this time. But in last 1 hour you can see they will recover now, and 1.34%, my friend, you can see here the change occurred now. So it's mean, my brothers, to just in only last 24-hour change, my friend, they will recover loss, they will recover in 1 hour. So it's mean to Pancakeswap one of the fastest coin in a crypto market. When they're starting moving upward now, so they're going like a rocket, and they will completely go in the moon now. So I'm 100% to upcoming the future will be bright now of Pancakeswap, but holders, you need to hold it and don't sell it. This time you can see, my friend, this chart is completely showing, my brothers, to last 24 hours this coin is fails down. But you can see, my friend, this time after this fails, they take a very short jump, and I'm so happy to see this, my friend, because after a very long time this coin will wake up and take a very huge jump now. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But kindly hold your, if you are new my channel, kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notifications. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.